Put your hands together and welcome RAPHAEL George, Muscles, Human Nature. The Blando Massive.
Good night, Progress Park. It's a pleasure to be here. Yeah, hey, 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 hey. The nature of man. Human nature, I tell you, is very complicated. The significance of life must never be underestimated. It accounts for all our violent, obnoxious behavior. It's what separates us from the Creator. We become slaves of our carnal cravings. Human nature is responsible for the life we live in. Mr. James had a very nice family, honored and respected by everybody. But he got distracted with this nice little shorty, and before you know it, he mash up his family. Well, if you were to ask me what's the cause of his behavior, I go tell you it's nothing else but human nature. Oh yes, it's nothing else but human nature. Yeah. Ta-do, ta-ta-ta-ta. The nature of man. This world in which we live can be a whole lot better if only we could control our human nature. It makes the human race so unpredictable, thereby putting this troubled world in still more trouble. You see, 1 minute we're living in peace, the next second is war. All this could only be the results of human nature. I know this swimming coach, his name is Chris Regis. Police shot and almost killed him for smoking a little spliff. Well then his father Trevor Regis went visit and stab a female police. The next thing you know, police shot and kill Mr. Trevor Regis. Ha! Well, if you want to ask me what's the cause of his behavior, I go tell you nothing else but human nature. Oh yes, it's nothing else but human nature. Yeah. The nature of man. Man's unpredictability is certainly very dangerous. You never know who will flip this script and cause unspeakable chaos. The news on the TV has countless examples of this. Every day, somewhere in this world, you're hearing about crisis. We have to contend with mischief and terror. This thing has been going on as long as I can remember. Look at this Russian leader, a lunatic named Putin. He woke up angry one morning and decided to invade Ukraine. Night and day he bombed them to show off his power. The same thing Netanyahu did to the innocent people of Gaza. Well, if you are to ask me, what's the cause of their behavior, I go tell you, it's nothing else but human nature. Oh yes, it's nothing else but human nature. Yeah. Kado ta 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 tam pa tim pam. Ooh, yeah, hey, hey. Hear this. We were made to follow the dictates of the Father, but instead we decide to give in to our own nature. This has turned us into creatures of uncertainty. Though you don't know what to expect from Tom, Dick or Harry, it's real bad when we can trust one another. That's because we can't even trust our own nature. Look, politicians are still the same, selfish and greedy. They are corrupt and deceiving. They have no integrity. They'll rob, cheat and lie just to get more money. That's the way they destroy and mash up the country. Well, if you were to ask me, what's the cause of their behavior, I go tell you, it's nothing else but human nature. Oh yes, it's nothing else but human nature. One love, Grenville. Just take it in. Ta-do, ta-ta-ta-tan-ta-tan-tan. Yeah, hey.
Put your hands together for muscles, human nature. Kaiso, kaiso, and more kaiso to come.